Agentic Playbook uses the same building blocks as a traditional playbook, but enhances them with AI agents that carry out activities. In a traditional playbook setup, service desk staff handle tasks manually. With AI agents enabled, the agents can carry out each step for them. The service desk can then review, edit, or approve the AI's output, or, if they choose, let the agents complete those steps automatically with no human involvement. This makes processes more efficient by automating tedious manual tasks, providing compliant outcomes across workflows, and providing context-aware interactions. Agentic Playbooks run on the Playbook Activity Assist workflow, which brings together a set of AI agents to make work easier and faster. Each agent has a specific role based on what it's best at helping with. The Playbook Data Gathering agent automatically finds and retrieves the data a task requires, choosing the best way to get it based on your request. While the Playbook Activity Context agent autofills relevant fields with available data and keeps a running summary of its actions. Beth is a sales associate, and she is looking to renew a customer's contract with her company. Here's how we use Agentic Playbooks to help her with a contract renewal. This is the sales process playbook for renewing a customer's account. Our focus will be on first stage, or the first two steps, specifying the discount and composing the contract renewal proposal. When we click View Progress, we can see a summary of what the AI agents are doing behind the scenes. AI agents have been configured to proactively engage and help with specifying the contract discount. Once AI agents finish their work, we're still in control. We decide when AI moves the workflow forward and when it should pause for a human review. While AI agents handle the busy work, teams can focus on higher value activities, engaging with clients, understanding their needs, and refining the contract renewal proposal. We can see that AI has proposed a discount percentage. Now the contract renewal manager can decide whether to move forward with that proposal. To do so, they can click Submit. Next, AI pulls in the contract details, reviews the proposed discount, and drafts a professional email to the client, helping move the renewal process forward. To see how this works on the back end, we can go to Workflow Studio, open the Contract Renewal Playbook, select a step like Specify Discount, and configure the agents in the AI Agents tab. The instructions provided are used by AI agents to calculate the discount for this contract. With Agentic Playbooks, processes run more efficiently, manual work is automated, and compliance is built in, saving time and minimizing errors. All powered by context-aware interactions through AI.